I'd also like to show you what the Intel 6th generation Core Skylake can do when you combine it with Windows 10 and RealSense. I'm going to show you something that has not been shown in public before, and that's Windows 10, Skylake, and RealSense working together to do 3D camera integrated for all kinds of user experiences. Our software team has worked with Microsoft to optimize this on IA to take advantage of the performance and features. Now, this is purely a software development system, and the final form factor will be much thinner, but this shows what features we can create. As you know, we believe in a vision of secure computing without the need to use passwords, without having to remember all of those passwords that we all have. And I'm going to show you a demo right now, a preview of authentication technology that Windows Hello uses on Windows 10 with Skylake and RealSense. Now, this happens quickly, and I believe this is a view into the future that we all need to think about and what the opportunities are. You can see in this system, it's currently locked and blocked out, and all I need to do is I'm going to walk up, put my face in front of it, within just a few seconds, it will unlock, and I'll be in computing. That's all it took. It happens so quick that it's not a cumbersome process, yet it's my secure face. If you walk up to that system and try and do that same thing right now, it'll never happen. And with RealSense, you could walk up with a picture of me and try and do that, and it'll never happen. So this is where we believe computing is headed. This is the opportunity I believe we can use together to innovate on as we go forward. There's a lot of other uses for RealSense, though, that are beyond password authentication. And we've shown it in a variety of features like drones and gaming. And after my presentation this morning, Doug Fisher will come on stage and talk to you a bit more about it as well. And I want you to take a real hard look at RealSense and think about what you could do and how you could innovate with that. We continue to look forward to new technologies to make our mobile platforms, though, even more innovative. And I'm going to show you one example this morning where we've taken that same RealSense technology and we've taken it from the PC and are moving it down into these mobile platforms. RealSense provides great new solutions when integrated with tablets. We brought this technology to JD.com, which is one of the largest warehouses in China. And today, I'd like to announce that JD.com will be partnering with Intel using RealSense to innovate and improve warehouse management. And we worked with them to innovate a prototype that we're going to show you here on stage with Chuck to improve how they manage their warehouse systems. So let's bring up Chuck, and Chuck, why don't you show us what we've put together with JD.com.
So Brian, like you said, JD.com is a huge company. They ship 3 million boxes every day. And they currently think it takes about 3 minutes to measure a box and put that into the system. And if you're doing that many boxes a day, that's thousands of man-hours every single day. Well, with RealSense, we can really shorten that time from 3 minutes to about 5 seconds. So here, I'm going to show you how we can measure some boxes. Let's say we've got, a couple of those. Let's say we've got a couple of those. And let's say we even have some odd size objects, like this hand, which we need to get into a box. Let's get a couple of those. You can see we've captured all this information here, measured them already in less than a minute. But it goes beyond that. We can also take all that information and calculate how much space it's going to take in our warehouse, in our trucks, or in our shipping containers. So we've not only saved tons of time, but we've made the whole thing much more efficient.
That's fantastic. I mean, you could just imagine the efficiency improvement, not only in people's time, as you said, but just think about even the efficiency of loading your trucks and maximizing the amount of capacity you can put in your trucks as you go out on the road.
Exactly.
That's great, Chuck. Thank you very much.